So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with another video. Y'all may know I am on the Pixie Beauty PR, but in between like packages that I got a few months back, I got this package that I had no idea I was gonna get, of course, from POUT Beauty. So I've like used the items that's in this box, already used them, but I wanted to show you guys what I actually got from them a while back because it's so cute. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So again, I got this from POUT Beauty. I'm not too sure if POUT Beauty is kind of like, they have to, I don't know like the background too much. So I don't know if it's like in relation to Pixie Beauty or not. I'm not too sure, but I had received this. So this is the POUT Beauty Kiss and Sip Pop Perfect Pout. So in here is a lipsticks. I think it's about 12 of them. So y'all see, like, this is so cute. So up here it says create your pop perfect pout and pucker up for the ultimate kiss proof test. So they left there, so they have their social media, which I put all that information down in the description box. But what they sent me was a bunch of lipsticks, and I have like 2 little glasses. I think they're like wine glasses. In here, of course, is a little card that shows me all of the shades that I got. So in here there's about 6 new shades. So this is their permanent pout, the perfect velvety matte lip paint for your pop perfect pout. Like I said, I have used these lipsticks, not all of them. I did swatch them a while back, so I will insert that picture into this video so you guys can see the swatches. But I have been using some of the lipsticks since I've gotten this package. I got this package like last year, towards the end of the year, I think. So as far as the lipsticks, like the packaging is super cute. All of them are like this in the silver packaging. Then it says POUT Beauty, and then it has like the lips in the front, and it actually, the color of the lips is the color of the lipstick. So I think that's pretty cute. And of course at the bottom it tells you which each shade is called. And then, like I had said, they sent me 2 little cups. They're plastic, so that's kind of good. And on their cup it just says POUT Beauty. So these are some little cups that I can drink out of. But this packaging is super cute. Like, I really do like it. If you guys would like, well, actually, you know what? Never mind. I did say that I will insert the swatches in this video that I swatched on my arm, but I was gonna do this for a separate video, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it in this video. I'm gonna swatch each lipstick on my lips so you guys can really see the color. So here is the first one. This is a Butter Babe. And I must say, like, each of these smell like really good. It has this distinct smell. I can't describe it, but it smells really good, so that's good. So I'm not gonna put a liner for any of these, but as y'all can see, this is the shade Butter Babe. So it's really cute, but I definitely would use a liner for this. I think I've used this one before, and I think I used a liner. So that's Butter Babe. So this one is Pink Tutu, which I have used before as well. So this really cute pink. Next one is Plump Peach. So this one is cute, but definitely will use a liner for that. But the reason why I'm not using a liner in this video, because I really want y'all to see the color by itself. Because y'all know once you line your lips, the liner color kind of mixes in with the lipstick color. But I want y'all to see like the real deal. So this is also a cute color. Next one is Poppy Pout. I don't know if I've used this one yet, But this one is cute as well. All the shades are really cute. But I don't have anything like this, so this is definitely cute. This one is Coral Crush. And y'all, I'm not putting them on like super duper neat, okay? So my bad. But I'm applying them on there as the best way that I can, so you guys can really see the color. Then here is Red Velvet. So a red shade. Y'all know when it comes to red lipstick, like you gotta find that perfect red. Not too sure if this is a perfect red, but I mean, it's okay. It'll do some justice. My lips is starting to stain and all that, so y'all gotta bear with me, okay? It's been a while since I did a lipstick swatch video. I can already feel my lips. I got three more to go. Got 3 more to go. Then here is a Berry Boost. This is one of my favorites. It's really, really pretty. Then you have Razzle Rose, which is also another favorite of mine. It's a real pretty, kind of like a mauve color. And it's starting to look funny in this area because lip swatches are the devil. Y'all know they are, but for y'all, I will do these type of videos. And last is Oh My God Violet. So this purple kind of color. I actually like it, but I'm more of a fan of like dark purple lipsticks, but this is cute. So that is pretty much it for this video. Y'all let me know down in the comments which shade y'all like. I know I kind of like rushed applying the lipstick, so I didn't apply them too neatly for you guys like I usually would do, but also like I had stated, some of them I would have to use a liner for, but I didn't want to do that because I really wanted to show you guys the colors of these lipsticks. But I really do like them. They go on soft and velvety. They are matte. A couple of the shades I'm not a huge fan of, but I will use them. And then I have a couple that are definitely my favorite, but I want to thank Pop Beauty for sending me those lipsticks a while back because I absolutely love it. I really, really do. So yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below. And of course, share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you're not missing a new upload from yours truly. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you in my next one.